Mathematics is the most vital subject with countless real-life applications. However, many people say that they are not good at mathematics, and many have often dreamed that there was a secret formula to become math geniuses, and for students, even if it is just for the day of their exams. While becoming a math wizard is never possible in just one night, you can be very good at mathematics if you project the best that you can offer. Being great with numbers is not a special skill, but it is something that all of us can acquire. Here are some techniques that can make you very good at mathematics. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. Always remember that studying mathematics is never possible by just reading and listening. Always remember that you need to move your hands and solve problems. Writing is key as it signals the brain that something new is to be learned. A study in Norway regarding math skills revealed that to be very good at a subject, you need to solve a lot of problems. So for any mathematics exam, you need to have solved a lot of problems beforehand. Working through the process and review. Practicing and repeating the process is not enough. It is important to know that when you do your practice, it is necessary to work through the process. If you have encountered any mistakes along the way, it is a must to review them and see where the actual problem is. This is going to help you in the future to avoid making the same mistakes. Knowing how to approach the problem and understanding what went wrong makes you stronger in mathematics and helps you avoid making similar mistakes on a later stage. Do not memorize the steps. In longer terms, it is more effective and more rewarding if you set your focus on the logic and the process involved with the solution. This will help you in terms of dealing with similar problems on a later stage. Keep working if you get stuck and do not be discouraged. If you are fixated with a problem, keep working on it. Do not just relax and look at it. Think deeply until you become tired and then get back to it the next day and try again and again. This would not be at all comfortable, but it forces your brain to look for new ideas and abilities. Always remember that it is okay to get stuck. Even mathematicians spend most of their lives getting stuck. In particular, many of them spend their years finding solutions and sometimes leaving some of these problems unsolved due to their time limit in this world. Mathematicians do not abandon their problems and they never get discouraged. Instead, they try to find various ways to solve problems, making eureka moments more satisfying. Find a proper place to study. Concentration is more needed in mathematics than any other subject. Therefore, a proper study space without distraction could be a great determinant when solving complex problems. Make mathematics a significant part of your life. One of the greatest obstacles to become very good at mathematics is fear of the subject, the so-called maths anxiety. If you have an assumption that you are not good at mathematics, the moment you make mistakes, you're going to view it as a confirmation of such assumption. Think to yourself instead that with extra efforts, you can and will improve your ability. Make mathematics a fundamental part of your life. If you isolate mathematics from your life, you'll find it extremely difficult to invite it to your life and more difficult to understand it. Make mathematics a significant part of your daily routine. After all, it is always part of your life. You just have to realize it. Be mindful of the mathematics when you're counting your money, when you're buying something, or when you're calculating time, or when you're trying to manage your budget. Always remember what Albert Einstein said: do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you, mine are still greater.